This short video will show you how to make an animal footprint trap. So, what will you need? The trap is made from a large piece of a cardboard box or packing case. You need some cardboard at least 75 centimeters by 110 centimeters. You will also need 3 bulldog clips or some large clothes pegs, and to mark the footprints, some charcoal powder, olive oil and a plastic pot and spoon to mix it. You also need 2 A4 sheets of white paper and some large paper clips. To attract the animals, you need some wet or dry cat food or dog food, but not fish based, and a small dish to put it in. Make your large piece of cardboard into 2 pieces. One of them must be 75 centimeters by 80 centimeters, and you need a smaller piece, 75 centimeters by about 22 centimeters. Next, put some lines on your large piece of paper, 5 centimeters from each side, and then a second line 23 centimeters from the first on each side. This should leave a middle section round about 23 centimeters wide. When you've marked it up, it should look like this. Put one of the 5 centimeter lines along the edge of a table and bend downwards. Put a piece of wood along the 23 centimeter line, hold down firmly and then bend the cardboard upwards. Repeat on the other side, bending the 5 centimeter line downwards and the cardboard on the 23 centimeter line upwards. When you have done the 4 bends, your piece of cardboard should look like this. Now get your smaller piece of cardboard and place it on a flat surface. Position a piece of A4 white paper at each end with the paper clips, as you can see here. Next, stick 2 bands of your tape as shown, leaving a gap in the middle. Open your dog or cat food and place a small amount in the dish and put it into the middle of the cardboard, as you can see here. Next, take 1 teaspoon of charcoal powder and put it into the plastic pot and add enough olive oil to make a paste. Stir thoroughly with a spoon. Paint the 2 strips of tape with a thick layer of your charcoal and oil mixture. Next, we need to set up the footprint trap. It is best to do this near to where you are going to use it during the evening. Find a sheltered place near to a boundary wall, fence or a hedge. Open your footprint trap and place the smaller piece of cardboard in the centre on the base. Close the top and then clip it with your clothes pegs or bulldog clips. It should now look like this. Place it in position during the evening and then you can leave the trap out all night. The results. If you open your trap, you should see black tracks where animals have crossed to get to the food and returned through the ends of the trap. The next thing is to identify these tracks. The internet can help you if you search for small mammal tracks in the images section.